Hey guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I'm so excited because I just got in, actually I got it last night, but I'm opening it up today. I just got in my quarterly Scentsy Club. So let's check it out. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. Comment below. Let me know if any of these are your favorites. All right, you guys, let's get into it. Okay, so before I get started, let's talk about the elephant in the room. My hair. What in the Leaning Tower of Pisa is going on here? I don't know, but now you can't unsee it. You're welcome. Okay, so we're going to talk about what I got in my Scentsy Club, my quarterly, okay? And a couple bars I actually meant to remove and I forgot because I like them. I actually love the scent, but they're not strong enough. So I'm going to start with those two. I'm going to be removing these from my quarterly. As much as I love them, they're just not strong enough. So first one, Cotton Candy Cookie. You guys, this scent is amazing. Oh, it's so pretty. Why are you not stronger? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to blame you. I'm sorry. But why is it not stronger? It's not a powerhouse. I need powerhouse in my house. See what I did there? Okay. The next one, same. Coconut Vanilla Orchid. Beautiful scent. Beautiful. Not strong enough. Oh, what a pretty scent. It's just not strong enough. Maybe that's why I kept them in there. Maybe that's why I didn't remove them, because I love them so much, just like one bar of each. But if you can't smell it, grrr. All right. Then this one was a scent of the month, and it's Red, White, and Berry Pie. It was, oh gosh, what month was that? I can't remember what month it was. Early summer, late spring. I think it was June when we had the Land of Liberty warmer, the Americana, what is it called? Camper. And this one just smells like berry pie to me. And I just love, oh, God, I love that smell. Ooh, that is a good one. That is so good. Okay, so I got 2 bars of that. Then I got one Blonde Wood and Moonflower, which I really like as well. And this one is a nice bedroom scent. Oh, you guys, this is so good. That's what I love about Scentsy Club. None of these are available anymore, but I get them in my Scentsy Club. Another one is Berry of Paradise, which is so good. It's such a good scent. It's like a super sweet berry scent. Oh, I love it. I'm so glad I have it. Then I got 2 of one of my top 3 scents of all time. And it's Lemon Coconut Chiffon. You guys, the scent. Get out of here with this. It is the perfect lemon scent because it's mixed with bakery. And I just love it. Love it so much. Okay. So I got 2 of those. Then I got 2 Cutie Pie Cupcakes, which I adore. Just literally, to me, it smells like yellow cake. Like a straight yellow cake. So good. Love it. So I got 2 of those. I got 1 Love and Happiness. I love this bar. Just like a sweet, oh, it's so sweet. For me, this is totally a bedroom scent for me. I love it. It's sweet, it's feminine, it's pretty. I love this scent. Okay, the next one is Love You Very Much, which I think is fantastic. That's another good berry scent. And it's funny though, because this one's more on the fruit side. And it's like I have a lot of berry scents, but they're like different berry. You know what I mean? This one's more on the fruity, like super sweet, fruity side. Love you very much. Then, I think these are still available. So you can still put this in your Scentsy Club. I think these are still available. And that is Angel Experiment 624. I got 2 of these. Oh my gosh, I love this for my bedroom. I just took it out and what did I put in there? Apricot vanilla is going on in my bedroom right now. Oh, so good, you guys. So good. So that is what I got in my Scentsy Club. But I also got, so let me backtrack. I should have said this in the beginning. I'm going to say it now. Okay, so if you don't know what Scentsy Club is, it's a subscription that you create, you manage, right, on my website. So you can go in and you can put in whatever bars that you want that are available at the time. And so I'm talking like collections, bring back my bar, the limited, what is it called? The licensed products that come out. Like this is a licensed product. When catalog changes occur, like right before the catalog changes over, you can stick things in your Scentsy Club. So you can put as many bars as you want. Here's the thing. You can decrease the amount of bars in your club. I'm talking now once it's no longer available to everybody else. You can decrease the amount of bars, but you can't increase. So like I have 2 Cutie Pie Cupcakes. Let's pretend I have 3. Okay, we're going to pretend that Vickie put 3 in her club. Okay, now I've decided, oh, I love this scent so much. I want to get 4 instead. Once it's no longer available, I can't go up to 4. However, if I say I don't need 3, I'm going to go down to 2, I can do that. So you can change it, okay? And you can schedule it to come every month, every other month, or every 3 months. So quarterly, which is great. Now, you can take things out, put things in. Remember, once you take something out that is no longer available, if I decide I do not want Blonde Wood and Moonflower, I cannot put it back in if I change my mind. Once it's gone, it's gone. It's a done deal, okay? So what can you put in your Scentsy Club? Okay, you can put the whiff box. You could put all of our consumable stuff, pets, body, clean, laundry, light bulbs, anything like that. Obviously, wax bars, scent circles, all that kind of stuff that is consumable that you use and then need to replenish. The only thing that is always get my bar are the bars. So let's say you put a room spray of Blonde Wood and Moonflower. Once Blonde Moon and Moon, I can't even talk. Vickie, are you having a stroke? No, I'm good. Once Blonde Wood and Moonflower, next time I'm going to choose something with an easier name, is no longer available. If you had had the room spray in your club, then it will be pulled from your club. Okay, but that will not happen with the bars unless you remove them. Another thing to note is once you hit $30 in your club, you get 10% off. 10% off just because you hit $30 in your club. If you hit 60, you get a half price item plus the 10% off. Okay, so that is fantastic. Let's see. Another thing to note is you can skip a month. However, you can only skip 1 month a year, or as I found out the hard way, if your credit card doesn't go through one time, that's considered a skip. So if it happens again, then you lose your stuff. Then they cancel your club. And I've lost some favorite bars because that's happened to me. But, you know, it's a bummer, but now I got to wait for them to come back, which, you know, it is what it is. Once they come back, I can put them back in. So that's why Scentsy Club is such a great thing, because you get to keep all your favorite bars and they'll make them just for you. And so I have, and you can create 3 different clubs. You can create a monthly club. I have a monthly club. You can create a bi-monthly. every other month. Every other month, you can create one of those as well. I have that too. And you can create a quarterly, which this is. Now, like I said, you also get a half price item. So let's say you choose a whiff box. Whiff box is normally $30. Well, now it's $15, right? Or you could choose a laundry love bundle, which is a $50 value, and now you just save 25 bucks on your laundry stuff. And that's another good thing. For me, I have something different in each one of my clubs. For this one, I chose my Best Bud Suds pet shampoo because we have two dogs, and I always forget to order pet shampoo. So this way, I always have some on hand because I always forget. And I'm like, oh, shoot, we're out of pet shampoo. Go get my Pantene. So that's that. So this is my Scentsy Club, you guys. It's fantastic. I love it. Let me know if any of these are your favorites as well. So anyways, I hope you're having a great day. TGIF. Have an amazing weekend. And I'll talk to you later.